Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of UNO. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you will search about UNO and you will click here. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. As you see here, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and think of your